Welcome back with another interesting video. Today's video is very important for those friends who want to make money online by typing, and those friends who want to start an easiest typing job. So watch the video complete and do not skip any part. If you skip this video, so you will not be able to start this job, because in this video I am going to learn you the best and an easiest way to start a good income from typing job with the help of your internet connection and your device. It does not matter that you have a mobile phone or a laptop or computer. You can start it on mobile phone, but laptop and computer are the best device for this job. So this is too easy. You have no need of any technical skills and experience, just type your keyboard and make a good income from this website. If you cannot type properly, don't worry, I have a solution for this problem. Just watch this video complete and I will learn you how to do this, because I will show you a powerful strategy, how to make your typing speed fastest. But before we start the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos, because we teach you the best and easiest way how to make money online. So let's go back to the video. If you cannot type properly, so this is a website, and its name is typingtest.com. Millions of people using this website for checking to their typing speed. You can also participate here, and you can check your typing speed. How do you type fast? Because on which website we are going to start a typing job have need to type fast, and its income depending on how much you type fast. So you can also join a typing course right here. Just click on this button right here and start your course to make your typing speed fastest. If you cannot speed up your typing, don't worry, you can also participate here and can generate a good income than other website. Now let's go to the website. So this is a website and its name is rev.com. This is a most popular and trusted website. You can make more and more money here easily. So this website have 5 different ways to earn money online. So the first number is human transcription. This is the easiest way to get a lot of money here, because it will pay you $1.5 per single minute. If we open calculator, that how much we can earn per hour. So type here 1.5 cross 60. So this is equal to $90. You can make $90 per hour. If you work for 5 complete hours, so you can generate $450. So this is a huge income, you can make it easily. The second method is automated transcription. So it's too easy, you have no need to type here. Just read the sentences with your mouth, it will automatically convert onto typing. Because of easiness, you will be get paid for 25 cents per minute, so this also a good income because you have not to do anything here, just turn on your mic, read the sentences and get paid for your income. Now let's go to the third step, that is English captions. In this way you have to add English subtitles to the videos. This is also very easy. You can do this easily and it will pay you $1.5 per minute. That means that you can earn $450 in only 5 hours. So this is a huge income and you can earn it by just typing on your keyboard. So please join it now and make a good income right now. The fourth step also same, but it is very expensive because it will pay you $3 to $7 per minute. If you calculate this, that means that you can easily earn $300 per hour and $1,500 in just 5 hours. So this can make you a millionaire. But if you don't know how to do this, so this is very easy. The global subtitles means that you can join this website from any country all over the world. For example, if you are from Pakistan, so this website have a good chance for you. If you join it from Pakistan, so you have to make Urdu subtitles. If you are from India, you have to make Hindi subtitles. And if you are from China, so have to make Chinese subtitles. Just like this, if you are from any country at all the world, you have to make your own country language subtitle. So this is a great opportunity for all people and especially for mobile users, because mobile users can easily switch in and switch out to another keyboard. Laptop users can also do this, but it is little hard for them because they cannot switch in their keyboard to any other language. And its keyboard is just Mac for English. If you guys really enjoying this video, so please give a like and subscribe our channel for more videos because we teach you the best and easiest way to make money online. Let's go to the last step, that is live captions for Zoom. If you are the user of Zoom application, here you have to join some live rooms and add more members to this website and start their job. So you will be get paid for $20 per person per month. The more people you invite, more income you will receive. So you can also earn a good income here. So these are the 5 different methods to make money online from this website. If you start your typing job here, you can easily make 30,000 to 40,000 per month. This is a highest income. Another website cannot give you this type of income. You can also earn more than which I told. Because if you work only 5 hours, you can earn 30 to 40,000 per month. If you work double, you can make double income of this. So what are you waiting for? Just make your account here and type your keyboard and earn thousands of dollars per month. I have a request for you that I am a small YouTuber and want to grow my business like you. So please support me and I will help you to provide a better online job ideas for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe our channel for more videos.